First need to find the correct working end. It will be the end that the terminal shank is more parallel to the long axis of the tooth, which is this end. Your insertion point is the distal line angle. You insert at the distal line angle and apply your strokes, short biting strokes, working into the distal surface. Again, your insertion point, distal line angle. You're using wrist motion, moderate to firm lateral pressure. When you are adapted and angled correctly, you should see the back of the instrument, not the side, but the back of the instrument. The tip of the instrument should be on the tooth. If the middle or heel is on the tooth, the tip is off. For the tip to be on, must look like this. 90 degrees would look like this. 70 to 80 tilted towards the tooth slightly. You should have wrist motion and your stroke should go towards the tip and towards the tooth. Directional pressure. If you apply a stroke just straight vertical, you can hear the difference and you won't be successful at removing that deposit. You then need to reinsert distal line angle. You're going to use oblique strokes across the straight buccal. Now you can see that I'm fulcruming on the lingual. I'm up on my fulcrum and I'm pulling the instrument towards the tooth. Make sure you're up on your fulcrum for this part. If you're down, the tip's going to go towards the junctional epithelium, which is incorrect. So you fix this by coming up on your fulcrum, position the tip at the distal line angle, and begin your oblique strokes around the tooth surface. Staying on the tip. When I get to the line angle, I'm going to stop. I'm going to turn the instrument. This is going to be tricky, especially on molars when you're fulcruming on the opposite side of your instrument. You want to pull the instrument this way towards your fulcrum, and it needs to go towards the tooth. So we accomplish that by really making sure you have a good handle roll, and then you can still use wrist motion activation and be successful in that stroke. Look how far the back is from the tooth surface. So not this way, but a big turn. Make sure you work halfway across the mesial surface. Make sure you finish with horizontal strokes.